Yes. Have you ever cut a watermelon? Before cutting a watermelon, you need to wash it first. Yeah, you have to wash it very clean. That is what I'm doing. And then, maybe you know, people buy watermelon, but it becomes hard for them to cut. But today I just want to give you a very easy procedure on what you are supposed to do. Yeah, after you just washed it, this is my tray here, and I just want to cut it. Okay, I know. You know, it is like this. This is I'll just cut it into 2 pieces. Yeah, this way. Okay. This is halfway, and then I'll just cut the halfway like this. So like this, then this halfway, you cut it quarter. You see, this is half cover, and then let me cut it like this. Yeah. Yeah, then you cut it this way. Let's show them. Move closer. This is the easiest way to cut this watermelon. I'm going to arrange it in my plate, and you see how it looks like. You cut it in this is a love shape. Yeah, you can see it, a love shape. Yeah, you just do it repeatedly. Sorry. You do it repeatedly. Nothing. You know, if you cut it like this, there are some people who don't like it. If you cut it in a love shape, that means whoever is going to eat, you love that person. So they will be motivated to eat, even if they are not fans of watermelons. Yeah, this is the best way you can cut it. I just want to cut it and arrange it in my plates. That is when you will see what I mean. Yeah, the same way, just the same way. You just do it repeatedly. After cutting it into half, then that half, make sure it removes 3 pieces. Okay, just like this. Yeah. This is the easiest thing you can do at home when you have visitors. I just want to finish, then I arrange it how it's supposed to look like. After this, you have to put it inside the fridge to keep it cool, so that you can enjoy with your family or your visitors, depending on whom you want to serve this watermelon. I'm doing my final part. This is the last part. Yeah. Okay. I want to rate this cutting out of 10 and tell me how many marks you could have given me out of 10. Okay. So after I'm done, I'm just going to arrange my fruits inside this plate. You know, this. Now this is the final product. Have you ever cut watermelon at home? I think you have learned from the Lucky Mom how it's supposed to be done, and I'm so happy because we have done it together.